fucker! Oh, you a fucking bike! Oh! Fucker! Oh, you a fucking bike! Oh! Well, I think I got your attention with that. Obviously, I was in a motorcycle accident. For the next minute or so, I'm going to be showing pictures of the accident scene, all the damages to the motorcycle, and a couple pre- and post-surgical pics of my broken fibula. In this short video, I really just wanted to paint the picture of all the damages that occurred from an accident. And in the next part video, it's going to be my return to riding, the new motorcycle, and me discussing all the intricacies of dealing with health insurance companies, motorcycle insurance companies, uninsured motorists, police report, everything that went into that process following the accident. And hopefully you guys can take something, and if you're ever in this unfortunate position, you might be able to have a little bit of an advantage or some information that can help you move forward better. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's run it back one more time for you guys. Fucker!